Hello, so in this video we will see about a product rule. So suppose if we have two functions u and v, and these are in multiplication, and I want to find the derivative of u into v. So its a differentiation is given by u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. So this formula is known as product rule. So how we will use this formula? Suppose if we have x sin x, so we have two x and sin x, and now these are in multiplication. So for if I want to differentiate x sin x, so I can take x as u and sin x as v. So this is I am taking as u and sin x as v. So if I substitute these values in the formula, so x differentiation of sin x plus sin x, then derivative of x. So x and derivative of sin x is cos x plus sin x and derivative of x is 1. So our answer for this question is x cos x plus sin x. So this is our product rule. Now see another example. Suppose if we have derivative of x square sin x. Now I am taking x square as u and sin x as v. And if we differentiate this, so we can write x square, then derivative of sin x plus sin x derivative of x square. So differentiation of sin x is cos x. Sin x and this derivative of x square, so it is 2x. So our answer is x square cos x plus 2x sin x. So this is our product rule. So what is product rule? If I have u into v and if I want to differentiate, so I can use this product rule. So it is a u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. I hope this video is helpful for you. In next video, we will discuss about quotient rule. Thank you.